on this particular application, we have a 1,500 gallon septic tank in the parking lot up here, followed by a 900 gallon dosing tank. They're category 4 tanks. The tanks are in series. The effluent pump pumps the water from the dose tank through this 2-inch line, this transmission line, to this distribution box. This distribution box allows the water to be evenly distributed to each of the ATUs, the aerobic treatment units, that are designed for 750 gallons of flow each per day. So we're taking water from a septic tank and we're treating it and removing a minimum of 65% of the nitrates, nitrites, and fecal coliform. The way we do it is once the water has made their way into the ATU and into these chambers, these blowers will blow air through these 1 1/4 inch lines to the bottom of this tank. At the bottom of this tank is a diffuser, just like you would have it in a fish tank or an aquarium. We diffuse oxygen through this fixed film media over here inside the tank. This is where we grow the aerobic bacteria. The aerobic bacteria eats the anaerobic bacteria. It also breaks down the nitrates, nitrites, and fecal coliform. How we treat the water and remove it. There, the water overflows as it's treated into the drain field and gets disposed of by way of drain field. This is a 950-foot trench drain field system elevated into a mound. So we have it covered now. We have some grading to do, some polishing up, raking down to do. It will be sodded and stabilized with sod. So on this particular drain field, our 960 square foot drain field system, trench system, what we did is we went 6 lines, 3.4 foot long. The material we used counts as 3 foot wide, but it's not that easy. What we had to do is, because we had to go back in the exact existing area, we had to bring the equipment in, we had to excavate the old drain field out. The old drain field gets piled up on the side, then later on all the debris gets loaded up into a truck and hauled away and properly disposed of. Once we got that mess up, we got the unsuitable soil, the old drain field out of the way, then we can bring in fresh sand. Our quartz, fine, large grit sand, well-drained soil. It's necessary. You have to have it to make it work. So once we put that back down in the excavation and backfill the excavation to the specifications of the permit, meaning that the elevation, we had to backfill enough to get it high enough to meet the setback from the seasonal high water table to the bottom of the drain field. From there, once we set our grade, then we can reinstall a new drain field. We use a 9-pipe system, again 6 lines, 54 feet long for a total of 960 square foot.